Hello friends, welcome to our channel Smart Study Techniques. Friends, आज हम एक ऐसी चीज के बारे में सीखेंगे जो हमारी लाइफ की एक बेसिक जरूरत है. That is
vegetables.
Yes, vegetables are said to be the best food for our body as they have all the essential nutrients, namely vitamins, minerals, fiber and phytochemicals, which helps in growth, fight diseases, weight management and increase immune system. तो फ्रेंड्स, हम इस वीडियो में डेली यूज होने वाले वेजिटेबल्स के बारे में सीखेंगे along with मजेदार facts and information. So let's get started. I am known as king of vegetables as I have a crown on my head. Who am I?
Brinjal.
Very good. ब्रिंजॉल को हम हिंदी में बैगन कहते हैं. In some countries, it is also known as eggplant because of its egg shape. I am known as queen of vegetables and I make people cry when they try to cut me. Who am I?
Onion.
Yes, onion को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं प्याज. I am the national vegetable of our country, India. Guess who am I?
Pumpkin.
जी हाँ, हम pumpkin को हिंदी में कद्दू कहते हैं. I am the most popular vegetable in the world. I am red and have seeds. I am round and sliced up in salads. Guess who am I?
Tomato.
Excellent. टोमेटो को हम हिंदी में टमाटर कहते हैं. Do you know? French people used to call tomato as apple of love. I am the world's main cereal crop and I belong to a grass family. I am always having an even number of rows on my cob. Guess who am I?
Corn.
Very good. कॉर्न को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मकई. I am fat, brown and round. I am peeled and have eyes and made into French fries. Who am I?
Potato.
Very good. पोटैटो को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं आलू. And did you know kids? Potato was the first vegetable to be grown in space. I am a root vegetable, purple in color, sweet when cooked. Guess who am I?
Sweet potato.
Yes, sweet potato को हम हिंदी में शकरकंद कहते हैं. In a cap with green feathers and a purple coat around, I am round like a moon found under the ground. Guess who am I?
Turnip.
जी हाँ बच्चों, टर्निप को हम हिंदी में शलजम कहते हैं. I am a dark red purple vegetable and I can make your lips and tongue pink for a while when eaten. Guess who am I?
Beetroot.
Very good. बीटरूट को हम चुकंदर कहते हैं. It's very tasty and हम इसे सैलड्स में यूज करते हैं. I am a vegetable, yellow and sour, containing vitamin C, much more. Guess who am I?
Lemon.
Excellent. लेमन को हम हिंदी में नींबू कहते हैं. और आपको पता है बच्चों, नींबू को हम स्कूल्स में लाइट जनरेटिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में यूज करते हैं. An orange root vegetable and doesn't cost much money. I am the favorite fruit of Great Bug Bunny. Guess who am I?
Carrot.
Very good. कैरेट को हम हिंदी में गाजर कहते हैं. They are very delicious. And you know बच्चों, it also clean our teeth when we eat it. I am long, thin and green. When taken more, I can make you lean. Guess who am I?
French beans.
Yes, French beans को हम बीन्स की फली कहते हैं. और पता है बच्चों, इनके सीड्स किडनी की तरह दिखते हैं और हमारे किडनीज के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद है. I am yellow, vibrant green, full of iron, calcium and protein. Guess who am I?
Cluster beans.
Excellent. Cluster beans को हम हिंदी में गुआर की फली कहते हैं. And it is very useful for strengthening of bones and a healthy heart. I am a super healthy vegetable and belongs to the family of legumes. I am also known as Lub Lub. Guess who am I?
Hyacinth beans.
Perfect. Hyacinth beans को हम सेम की फली कहते हैं. They are very good for stomach disorders. पर ध्यान रखिए, उन्हें बिना पकाए ना खाएं, नुकसानदेह होते हैं. I am one of the oldest vegetable in the world. My skin can erase the mistakes written with a pen. Guess who am I?
Cucumber.
बहुत खूब. क्यूकम्बर को हम ककड़ी और खीरा भी कहते हैं. इन्हें हम सैलेड्स में बहुत यूज करते हैं. I am a vegetable with 91% of water, looking like a head covered with leaves on one another. Guess who am I?
Cabbage.
Excellent. Cabbage को हम हिंदी में पत्ता गोभी कहते हैं. Do you know kids? Cabbage is also one of the oldest vegetable in the world as it's being used since 4000 BC. I am a crunchy vegetable with lots of vitamin C and fiber. Some kids think that I look like a little green tree. Guess who am I?
Broccoli.
Very good. ब्रोकोली को हम हिंदी में ब्रोकोली ही कहते हैं. This vegetable is actually a baby flower which is not opened because once it opened, it tastes bitter. I am a bunch of tiny stems looking like a flower. I am very white, full of vitamin C and fiber. Guess who am I?
Cauliflower.
जी हाँ बच्चों, कॉलीफ्लावर को हम हिंदी में फूल गोभी कहते हैं. Do you know बच्चों, cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower belongs to the same family of cruciferous vegetables which are rich in vitamin C. That is one of the best antioxidant. I am actually the largest seed in the world. Guess who am I?
Coconut.
Very good. कोकोनट को हम हिंदी में नारियल कहते हैं. पता है बच्चों, in many countries कोकोनट के हस्क को जलाते हैं मच्छर भगाने के लिए, as it acts as a natural mosquito repellent. I am a vegetable that looks like a carrot. It has turned white. Guess who am I?
Radish.
बिल्कुल सही बच्चों, रेडिश को हम हिंदी में मूली कहते हैं। और आपको पता है, दिस वेजिटेबल वॉज पेड एज वेजेस टू द एंशिएंट इजिप्शियन लेबर्स हु यूज्ड टू बिल्ड द पिरामिड्स। I am rough, green and bitter, lowering the level of your sugar. Guess who am I?
Bitter gourd.
Yes, bitter gourd is also known as bitter melon, and in Hindi we call it as करेला. And do you know what? ये एक ऐसा vegetable है which acts as a plant insulin for a diabetic patient. I grow on a climber, green in color and have a shape of a cylinder. Guess who am I?
Bottle gourd.
Very good. Bottle gourd को हम हिंदी में लौकी कहते हैं. And do you know kids, the juice of this vegetable, if taken in the morning, it helps in treating grey hair. I'm also known as loofah. Green and hard from outside, white and spongy from inside. Guess who am I?
Ridge gourd.
Yes, ridge gourd को हम हिंदी में तुरई कहते हैं. The name ridge gourd is given due to the ridges on its surface. I am a vegetable which is eaten when young, and when dried I can be used as a soap. Guess who am I?
Snake gourd.
Yes, snake gourd को हम हिंदी में चिचिंडा कहते हैं. I am white in color and come in pots. I help to reduce blood cholesterol. Guess who am I?
Garlic.
Yes, garlic को हम लहसुन कहते हैं. This is one of the most widely used vegetable in our kitchens, but some don't like it because it causes bad breath. I am a herb belonging to the family of rhizome. My color is brown and I grow underground. Guess who am I?
Ginger.
Yes, ginger को हम हिंदी में अदरक कहते हैं. And like garlic, ginger is also used as a spice. It has numerous medicinal qualities. I am a highly pigmented yellow vegetable grown under the ground. People use me as a natural antibiotic when found. Guess who am I?
Turmeric.
Yes, turmeric को हम हिंदी में हल्दी कहते हैं. And it is used as a natural pain reliever. I am a vegetable, green, yellow and sometimes red. I am full of antioxidant. Guess me, who am I?
Bell peppers.
Very good. बेल पेपर को हम हिंदी में शिमला मिर्च कहते हैं. I am sometimes red, sometimes green, long like a finger, hot and lean. Guess who am I?
Chilies.
Very good. चिली को हम हिंदी में मिर्च कहते हैं. ये बहुत तेज होती है because of the presence of a pungent chemical called capsaicin. I am long, green with straight strips outside, sticky and slimy inside. Guess who am I?
Lady finger.
Excellent. Ladies finger को हम हिंदी में भिंडी भी कहते हैं. Also another name called okra. I am actually a fruit and not a vegetable. My branch is used as a symbol for peace all over the world.
Olives.
Superb! Olives को हम हिंदी में जैतून कहते हैं. And do you know kids, olive trees are evergreen and can live up to 2000 years. The oldest tree is in the island of Crete, which is 4000 years old and is still producing fruits. I am green and long as sticks, used as a boon for diabetics. Guess who am I?
Drumstick.
Very good. Drumsticks को हम हिंदी में सहजन की फली कहते हैं. Many countries it is also known as moringa. I'm the world's largest and heaviest vegetable. Guess who am I?
Yam.
Yes, yam is also known as elephant's foot और हम इसे हिंदी में सूरन कहते हैं. It's called elephant foot because of its elephantine hoof-like appearance. I am a vegetable full of antioxidants. Favorite food of poppy, loaded with iron, calcium, vitamin K and vitamin C. Guess who am I?
Spinach.
Excellent. Spinach is also known as palak in Hindi. Do you know kids? They are also known as nutritional powerhouses. But if consumed too much, they may cause kidney stones because of the oxalates present in it. Kids, don't forget to wash the vegetables as they are grown on the ground. I am actually the seeds which looks like green balls stacked next to each other in a green cover. Guess who am I?
Peas.
Yes, peas को हम हिंदी में मटर कहते हैं. Do you know kids? They are great for bones as they are rich in vitamin K. I am actually a fungus and is known as meat of the vegetable world. Guess who am I?
Mushroom.
Yes, mushroom को हम हिंदी में कुकुरमुत्ता कहते हैं. Do you know the highest amount of nutrients in a vegetable is found in the layer right under the skin. I am actually a herb and is used for thousands of years to treat stomach indigestion. Guess who am I?
Mint.
Yes, mint को हम पुदीना कहते हैं. Children, vegetable diet is linked with low blood pressure and cholesterol and low risk of cancer. I am crunchy, tall and thin. My color is light green. Guess who am I?
Celery.
Very good. Celery को हम हिंदी में अजवाइन कहते हैं and it's used as a home remedy for many types of illness. I am fan-shaped, fragrant and known as cilantro. Guess who am I?
Coriander.
बहुत अच्छे. कोरिएंडर को हम हिंदी में धनिया कहते हैं and it's the favorite spice used by the moms in our kitchens. I'm also known as sweet neem leaves and my aroma enriches the flavor of food. Guess who am I?
Curry leaves.
Yes, curry leaves को हम हिंदी में कड़ी पत्ता कहते हैं. Green leafy vegetables are known to have positive impact on memory. Children, it is recommended that you eat 5 servings of fruits or vegetables a day. A serving equals to 1/2 cup. So children, I hope you have learned many things about vegetables in a fun way. Remember, Mom was right. Eat your veggies and fruits and stop eating the junk food. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.